We wanted to do signature things throughout the movie action-wise that you hadn't hopefully seen before in other movies. One of the biggest set pieces of the movie was something that Bruce came up with himself. And, you know, what's great having Bruce in the movie is he's done a million action movies, so he can say, we're not doing that. I did that in Die Hard 1, or no, I saw that in, you know. So he's actually our, you know, touchstone for action. So he comes up with a great idea, which is car crash. As the car is spinning, he knows there's only one way to get the advantage on the guy who crashed into him, and that's to step out of the moving vehicle as it's spinning and, you know, draw his guns, because it's so intricate and because obviously you don't want to hurt our actor, but yet he's stepping out of a moving vehicle, and things like that. It's a lot of effects, but it's a lot of practical, and, you know, our philosophy is always shoot as much of it real as you can because the audience will know.
You really are CIA.